Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn adding from the left together, step by step. On paper, you add right to left, but your brain likes going left to right. Let's add 47 plus 36. Grab the tens first. 40 plus 30 is 70, and hold that in your head. Now the ones. 7 plus 6 is 13. 70 plus 13 is 83. The secret is your running total, the number you keep updating as you go. Start with the biggest part, say it to yourself, then sweep over to the ones. That little pause keeps your brain from forgetting the first part while it's busy with the second. Let's try a bigger one together. 75 plus 48. Tens first. 70 plus 40 is 110. Now the ones. 5 plus 8 is 13. 110 plus 13 is 123. Smooth, right? Now you think along with me. 32 plus 45. Tens first. 30 plus 40 is 70. Ones next. 2 plus 5 is 7. 70 plus 7 is 77. Nice work. You did that with no pencil at all. So here's the whole idea. The moment you see two numbers to add, jump left and grab the tens. Say that subtotal, then sweep right for the ones and finish. Practice it, and left to right adding becomes one smooth, easy motion. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.